Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to know the condition at the moment in Legian Street nighttime? Keep stay in touch, check it out. Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Tonight we will explore Legian Street in the nighttime around 8 p.m. The real condition at the moment during the emergency lockdown for Bali. So for sure, because emergency lockdown, in this Legian area will be very quiet. All the shop closed, restaurant closed, night bar also closed. You see left side, there is one O1 hotel, but looks so dark. If you just find this channel, and if you want to support my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Also don't forget to hit the bell, because I always update every day the condition in Bali. And you can see the monument on the video. See that? It's very quiet, there's no people there. Usually in this area, the heart of Kuta area, so lot of night bar here. Usually busy place, but tonight is no people. As my friend told me, it's like a ghost town. It's very sad, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Legian Street nighttime during the emergency lockdown for Bali. Thank you for keep stay in touch and see you in the next video. Bye bye.